Imagine you're fueling a car. You need petrol to make it go. Our bodies are quite similar. They need fuel to function. This fuel comes from the food we eat. The energy in our food is measured in calories. A calorie is simply a unit of energy. Think of calories as tiny packets of energy. Our bodies break down food and release these packets. We use this energy for everything we do. From breathing to walking, even thinking requires energy. Without enough calories, our bodies cannot function properly. Just like a car needs the right type of fuel, our bodies need the right kind of calories. We get these from healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide sustained energy for our daily activities. Now, let's talk about how our bodies use energy. You might be familiar with the term burning calories. This refers to our total daily energy expenditure, or TDE. It's the total number of calories our bodies burn each day. TDE includes energy used for everything. This includes obvious activities like running or exercising. But it also includes less obvious things like digesting food and even just breathing. Surprisingly, these basic functions use up a significant amount of energy. Within TDE, there's something called resting metabolic rate, or RMR. This is the number of calories your body burns at rest. Imagine you're lying down, doing absolutely nothing. Your body is still hard at work, keeping your heart beating, lungs breathing, and organs functioning. RMR represents the energy needed for these vital functions. Now that we understand how our bodies use energy, let's talk about calorie deficit. This concept is crucial for anyone looking to manage their weight effectively. Imagine a set of scales, a simple yet powerful metaphor for understanding energy balance. On one side is the energy you consume through food, or calories in. This includes everything you eat and drink. On the other side is the energy you burn, or calories out, also known as TDE, which stands for Total Daily Energy Expenditure. When you consume the same number of calories as you burn, the scales are balanced. This equilibrium is essential for maintaining your current weight. This is called calorie maintenance. It's the state where your body neither gains nor loses weight. Your weight remains relatively stable, and you feel consistent energy levels throughout the day. But when you consume fewer calories than you burn, you create a calorie deficit. This is the key to weight loss. Imagine removing some weight from the calories inside of the scale. This action represents eating less or choosing lower calorie foods. The side representing calories out becomes heavier, tipping the balance. This can also be achieved by increasing physical activity. In the same way, a calorie deficit forces your body to find alternative energy sources. This often leads to feelings of hunger as your body adjusts. Since it's not getting enough from food, it turns to stored fat reserves. This process is what ultimately leads to weight loss. Creating a calorie deficit sounds simple in theory. You just need to consume fewer calories than you burn. But how do you know how many calories you need to consume? This can be quite confusing for many people. This is where understanding your total daily energy expenditure, TDE, and resting metabolic rate, RMR, becomes crucial. Thankfully, we have helpful tools at our disposal: online calorie calculators. These tools simplify the process significantly. These calculators take into account factors like your age, gender, height, weight, and activity level. They provide a more personalized estimate. By inputting this information, you get an estimate of your daily calorie needs. This is a great starting point. This provides a starting point for creating a calorie deficit. You can then plan your meals accordingly. Remember, these calculators provide estimates. Individual needs vary, and it's important to monitor your progress. It's essential to listen to your body and adjust accordingly. Your body will give you signals if something is off. If you're unsure, consulting a registered dietitian or nutritionist is always a good idea. They can offer professional advice. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific needs and goals, ensuring you stay on the right track. The concept of a calorie deficit is often linked to weight loss. This means consuming fewer calories than your body needs to maintain its current weight. It's true that consuming fewer calories than you burn can lead to weight loss. This is a fundamental principle in many diet plans and weight loss programs. However, it's not always as straightforward as it seems. Many people find that their weight loss journey is filled with unexpected challenges. The human body is complex and adaptable. It has various mechanisms to maintain balance and ensure survival. When you consistently consume fewer calories, it can go into a sort of survival mode. This is the body's way of protecting itself. Metabolism might slow down to conserve energy. This means your body becomes more efficient at using the calories it gets. You might experience increased hunger cues as your body tries to signal a need for more fuel. This can make sticking to a calorie deficit challenging. Furthermore, weight loss isn't always linear. There can be fluctuations due to various factors, including water retention and muscle gain. You might see rapid progress initially, followed by plateaus. This is completely normal and part of the process. Our bodies are constantly adjusting, and weight loss is influenced by numerous factors, including hormones, genetics, and even stress levels. Understanding these can help manage expectations. While calorie awareness is important, it's crucial to remember that it's only one piece of the puzzle. Focusing solely on calorie restriction can lead to nutrient deficiencies and an unhealthy relationship with food. Instead of obsessing over numbers, shift your focus to nourishing your body with nutrient-rich foods. Choose whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide essential vitamins and minerals while keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Exercise not only burns calories, but also improves cardiovascular health, boosts mood, and increases energy levels. Find activities you enjoy and make them a part of your lifestyle. Remember, true health goes beyond the number on the scale. It's about feeling your best, both physically and mentally. Instead of resorting to restrictive diets or quick fixes, focus on building sustainable, healthy habits. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Choose nourishing foods that fuel your body and mind. Stay active and find joy in movement. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. And most importantly, remember that you are not alone on this journey. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to healthcare professionals for guidance and support. What questions do you have about calories and healthy living? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.